Okay, so we're asked to do number 8. Numbers 7 and 9 are done for us. So for number 7, they multiplied -3 times 7 to get -21. And then -3 times 5 is -15g. So that is how they got that equivalent expression. And number 9, first they had to multiply 1/5 times x, which is x over 1, to get x over 5, and you can't subtract those because they're not like terms. So in number 8, it says to write an equivalent expression, but the expression here is I'm adding x plus 7 first, and then I add 3y. Well, none of these things are like terms, so I really can't do anything to them except move the parentheses. So I can use the associative property, and instead of saying x plus 7 first, I can change the parentheses to do 7 plus 3y first and have the plus x over here. So that's one example of an equivalent expression for number 8. Number 10, they're giving us the expression t plus 4 plus 3 minus 2t. And we're just determining which of these 4 is an equivalent expression for it. So I have two options of being able to do that. One is to evaluate using our RSS method. The other option is to simplify and then compare them. So I'm going to start with the evaluate. And to evaluate, I'm going to use RSS. So I'm going to rewrite the expression. Then the next thing I'm going to do is substitute in a value for t. So I need to come up with a value that I want to use for t. So I'm going to say t equals 5. I've just picked 5 because I could pick whatever I want. So t equals 5. So what I'm going to do now is everywhere that I see t here, I'm going to replace it with 5. But everything else will just stay as it was. So plus 4, plus 3, minus 2, and then t. But t is going to be 5. So when I simplify that expression and I use all those operations, I end up with the value of 2. So when t is 5, the value of the expression is 2. So what I need to do now is I need to compare that with all these expressions here and see which one also I would get 2. So when I work out all of these values for the expression when t is 5, the only one that I get equal to what I started with is b. They're both 2. So my other option is to simplify. So I have the expression t plus 4 plus 3 minus 2t. And I notice that in the middle here, I have 4 plus 3. Well, I know 4 plus 3 is 7. So that's done. And then I also have t and subtract 2t. So t minus 2t is just 1t. So now I have, negative 1t. So negative 1t plus 7. Well, that's just like b, isn't it? Because negative t is really just negative 1t plus 7, and that is equivalent. I also know if I put 5 in here, negative 1 times 5 will be negative 5 plus t plus 7 will be 2. So here is the equivalent expression, which is b. Thanks.